And now, an exclusive sneak preview of a recent Xtalks webinar exploring porous glass as a cutting-edge substrate for life science applications.
So first, a little bit about SCHOTT. For those of you who don't know, SCHOTT is a German-based corporation. It's over 135 years. It's a world leader in specialty glass materials. And then it's about 16,000, 3 billion revenue company that is just a world leader in the space. Now, within the SCHOTT family is what I do, is SCHOTT MiniFab. And we're a team of about 350 diversified experts that are focused on helping companies design, develop, and manufacture life science and clinical diagnostic consumables where they want to outsource that to us. I think what's important to point out here, though, is that because we're part of a larger SCHOTT organization, as you'll see today, in addition to our expertise in helping companies develop and manufacture their consumables, we also have the ability to plug in to world-leading materials such as the porous glass that we're going to talk about today. And that really gives us an extra edge in understanding some of the complex innovation challenges that companies are facing. And it shows you a little bit about what we bring to offer for you today. So we're really excited to talk about that. So SCHOTT MiniFab is a specialty division of SCHOTT in that we focus on just life science consumables, diagnostic and point of care consumables. And that specialization versus a more general developer allows us to face a level of challenges, a deep dive into challenges that many more diversified companies may not have the opportunity to face. So we bring a particular deep expertise to the table when you're looking to outsource your challenging consumable. And then just to kind of give you just a broad overview quickly of the three key areas that we focus on. So our capabilities are deep, and they surround around polymer microfluidic consumables through our capabilities in precision injection molding, assembly or bonding of those consumables. We have multiple technologies and multiple capabilities to approach some of these challenging cartridges. We also have deep expertise in glass microfluidics. So if you're thinking next generation sequencing flow cells, for example, and that our deep capabilities in organic functional coatings onto the glass, physical coatings onto the glass, functionalizing the glass through structures, and then bonding those for various components to be used in a diagnostic consumable. And lastly, we have world-leading expertise in microarray deposition technologies from reagent formulation, the surface chemistries, and then reagent deposition. And so you put those three together, and it really gives us a unique set of capabilities that allows us to be a single source solution for companies across the gamut, from early stage new venture organizations on to large multinationals. And then just to kind of give you a little taste of the types of products that we can help with, and these are all publicly known companies with whom we've partnered, and I'll just give you a couple of those. But as you can see on the far left, this is a electrochemical detection chip used for the detection of dry eye. That we make for a company. Something a little more complex is the chip here by Corvo, COVID-19 test. Much more complex microfluidic cartridge. And then the chip there in the middle is an organ-on-a-chip product that we help develop and now manufacture for Emulate. And then there on the right, Meridian Bio is an example of their cartridge that we manufacture for their Revaging system. So this gives you the broad types of products that we can help with.
To view the entirety of this webinar, visit the link in the description and register on xtalks.com completely free of charge.